Hey Irma, how's everything going? I just wanted to say thank you so much for all your hard work, and I just uh, appreciate it very much. I just recently shared an additional Excel spreadsheet to you. They look very similar, but obviously they're different. So as you can see, this right here, um, the I've included a few more things, and I was wondering if you could click on this side of the links, not this one. And if you don't see this one, remember it's just going to be hidden. But if you could put all the numbers right here of how much they cost on the link, and then this is the DTE dry amendment file, and then this one's the advanced newt liquid. Next, what I was wondering if you could do is if you can copy and paste the like Prada 1 liter, right into Amazon, find the price, um, get the link, copy, link, right here, put it there so we can put it in right there, and then get the price. So 79.84. So it'd be 79.84 right there. The same next one. I grab that one, put it into, grab the tarantula 1 liter, grab the link, 56, 57. 56, 57. Okay. And just keep doing the rest. If you could please do those, all the rest down. I'd appreciate it. And then put all the numbers in. Same thing, put the numbers in right here. I'd appreciate it. Thank you so much.